Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel in the Boogie Man. Okay guys, so this video I want to say full in English language, and I will upload this video to my channel, to my YouTube channel, the Boogie Man. And before we go to review, I will review some material. I will regret to my viewers, to my viewers, and especially to my lecturers if I get wrong pronunciation or to my shortage, guys. Yes, to my shortage. And now we will go to review to my item when I have both this item. Alright guys, so in here I have one item to review to you all, and this item I will unboxing and then I will review the item. Alright, and let's go to unboxing the item. Sorry guys, I have long to unboxing this item, this cover item, because it's very hard for me, because the adhesive is, it's heavy and hard for me to open that. Okay, so this item, I have this item, and this item is this shape. My item is square shape, and now I will unboxing again the second cover, guys. Alright. Okay guys, I will open it and we will get a new item. Alright, let's go, my man. Alright guys, this is my new item. Oh my god. Alright guys, this cover item, the last cover in my item, and I will exhaust that. Alright. Okay guys, so this item is this mouse. Alright. So my item is mouse. Alright guys, maybe I won't review this mouse. I have perception in this mouse is maybe have what is it, black color, and it's same with my skin. It's based on my skin, and this has orange color. So in this mouse has two colors. So in this mouse has a cable too. Nah, and this is the same with the glue, but this is to related this cable. Alright guys, never mind. Alright guys, let's go to continue this video. Alright, so this shape is maybe I like it because I don't have any problem with this shape, yeah. And to when I pinch it, it has sounds output, yeah, maybe a classical output sound. From other mouse it's same, right? Alright, and this is to scroll to up and down. Maybe you can use this to scroll document or scroll social media and many more, guys. Alright guys, maybe that's all, but in the end, yeah, maybe I think it's conclusion, but in video shape, yeah. Maybe I want to present to you all about to use this mouse, guys. Alright, okay guys, I will connect this mouse and we will see. Ooh, he has a red light. Oh my god, I like a red color, guys, if you want to know. And my laptop is Asus. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. Okay guys, maybe thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to other people, guys. Yeah, guys, yes, because it's very important to me and to increase my subscriber and to my viewers, yeah, maybe